Welcome! Today, let's dive into how you can sync your contacts to your Gmail account with these updated steps. To begin, on your Android phone, open the Contacts app. Look for the three dots located at the right side of the screen. Tap on them to reveal additional options. Next, select Manage Contacts from the menu that appears. Once you're in the Manage Contacts section, locate and tap on Sync Contacts. This action will prompt a list of accounts to sync your contacts with. Choose the Gmail account you want to sync your contacts to by turning it on. After selecting your Gmail account, scroll down to find the Sync button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to initiate the syncing process. Your contacts will now be synced to your Gmail account, ensuring that they are up to date and accessible across devices. By following these steps, you can efficiently sync your contacts to your Gmail account, making it easier to manage and access your contact information. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this guide helps you in successfully syncing your contacts to your Gmail account. Keep your contacts organized and synced effortlessly with these simple steps.